Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sit down here. Okay. Are you ready for facing your interview today?
Yes,
Okay. What's your name?
my name is Afrandul.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Alauddin Sardar.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Selina.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
Okay. What class do you read in?
I read in class 1.
What is your school name?
My school name is Redstone School and College.
Okay. Could you tell me about the 8 person?
I am Itumi Yatumra. He says, Tara Itiha.
Okay. Uh, could you tell me about the preposition?
But there are 4 with paragraph after who is a
Okay. May I know your double salt?
আজকে কখন সাড়ে কথা সাড়ে কেন হাওতে পাবে হুমকাকে হুমকে উকারা উস্কাকে উস্কাকে
থ্যাংক ইউ। বলো তো, আমি ভাত খাই।
I eat rice.
আমি ভাত খাচ্ছি।
I am eating rice.
তুমি কেমন আছো?
How are you?
মা ভাত রান্না করছে।
My mother is cooking rice.
আমি মাকে সাহায্য করছি।
I am helping mother.
তুমি স্কুলে যাচ্ছ?
You are going to school.
ওকে। হোমল্যান্ড সম্পর্কে কিছু বলতে পারবা? বলো তো।
Bangladesh is our homeland. There are 64 districts in our country. We love our country very much.
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। সুন্দর হয়েছে।